Every year, thousands of new drugs are launched across the world. Each one promises to heal, to comfort, and to save lives. But what happens when the very medicine meant to cure begins to harm? Who monitors the safety of these drugs, not just in clinical trials, but long after they reach millions of people across the globe? That silent guardian is pharmacovigilance. Welcome to the world of drug safety, where science meets responsibility. In this video, we'll explore what pharmacovigilance truly means, how the pharmacovigilance process works, and why it's one of the most vital pillars of modern healthcare. Pharmacovigilance, or simply PV, is the science and set of activities dedicated to detecting, assessing, understanding, and preventing adverse drug reactions or any other medicine related problem. In simpler words, pharmacovigilance is how we keep medicines safe even after they've been approved for public use. Before a drug is launched, it undergoes several phases of clinical trials on a limited number of volunteers. But once it's prescribed to millions of real world patients, new or rare adverse effects may emerge, things that no trial could ever predict. That's where pharmacovigilance steps in, continuously monitoring, analyzing, and ensuring that every medicine remains as safe as possible. The pharmacovigilance process begins with adverse event reporting, when a doctor, nurse, pharmacist, or even a patient reports an unexpected side effect. These reports are collected by pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, and regulatory authorities. Next comes signal detection, where experts and advanced algorithms analyze vast databases searching for trends or signals that might indicate a new safety concern. If a signal is confirmed, global agencies like the US FDA, European Medicines Agency (EMA), or India's CDSCO take regulatory action, updating labels, adding new warnings, or in rare cases, withdrawing the product entirely. Behind this entire network are skilled pharmacovigilance professionals, scientists who review case reports, code events using MedDRA, and manage global databases like Vigibase and Udra Vigilance. Pharmacovigilance isn't just a process, it's a promise. A promise that every pill, every injection, and every vaccine does more good than harm. It safeguards lives, builds trust in the pharmaceutical industry, and strengthens global healthcare systems. So, the next time you take a medicine, remember behind that tiny tablet stands a worldwide network dedicated to your safety. That's pharmacovigilance, the unseen shield of modern medicine. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on pharma, clinical research, and medical science.